disagree with somebody bullying me. I feel embarrassed when I am reporting in a prank. When I'm bored, I'm playing basketball like that. And last time I am happy when I ran into a round of the neighbors. Um, I'm sadness when the past few months I'm broke out. I'm worried when I'm teacher called me in front of time oral restrictions.